Out of all of the YouTube videos I've seen of people remodeling Bigfoot truck campers, I've never seen anybody talk about what a pain in the butt it is to remove the sealing material from the insulation foam. A tool like this, I've been able to pry at it, scrape at it. It's a pain in the ass. Groove line here, I can slide this in, hook in, and pull down. So, man. So if you want to watch the channel, click through, hit subscribe. I don't know, give me some pointers, because this is not easy. I don't want to damage the insulation, but yeah, join us on this adventure.